Students, in this video we are going to study about preparation of benzaldehyde by side chain chlorination of toluene. So how the reaction takes place? Let's see. When toluene, what is the formula of toluene? Methyl group attached to the benzene ring. This is the formula of toluene. Toluene when undergoes chlorination. So the reaction takes place with the chlorine in presence of H nu, energy constant, Planck's constant, and the reaction takes place. So from CH3 two hydrogens are replaced and this chlorine gets substituted at CH3 group. So CH3 is present as a substituent group and the chlorination takes place at this place or at this side, and so this reaction is called, generally this reaction is called side chain chlorination. So by the removal of two hydrogen we get one hydrogen is remaining and two hydrogens replaced by two chlorines. So we get intermediate product and the name of this product is benzyl chloride. Benzyl chloride. This benzyl chloride undergoes acid hydrolysis. So on acid hydrolysis means we can write H3O plus, and finally at about 373 Kelvin the reaction takes place and finally we get benzaldehyde. So CH3 group is converted into CHO group. The name of this compound is benzaldehyde. So preparation of benzaldehyde from, this is the benzaldehyde. So preparation of benzaldehyde from toluene. This is the toluene, CH3 attached to the C6H5 group, means methyl benzene, or toluene when undergoes chlorination, the chlorination takes place at side chain of this aromatic compound in presence of H nu, it is the energy, Planck's energy constant, and the removal of two hydrogen by two chlorine. So here we require two molecules of chlorine to balance the reaction. Removal of twice HCl, we can write on the arrow minus HCl. So benzyl chloride is formed as an intermediate and it further undergo acid hydrolysis at high temperature about 100 degrees Celsius, means 373 Kelvin. Finally we get benzaldehyde. So how the reaction takes place? We'll see its mechanism, and this is the most important part of this reaction. So you can write this CH3 in its structural form. So CH3 attached to the benzene ring. The name of this compound is toluene. This is the toluene when undergoes reaction with chlorine. So two molecules of chlorine are required, Cl2, again one more Cl2. So the bond breaks from in between carbon and hydrogen, and the bond breaks in between chlorine and chlorine homolytically, and this hydrogen is replaced with the chlorine and this chlorine gets substituted at the place of hydrogen. So this reaction takes place in presence of H nu. So what we get, the intermediate product, this CH1 bond remains as it is and these two hydrogens are replaced by the two chlorine. So CHCl2 is formed. The name of this intermediate compound is benzyl chloride. Benzyl chloride, which on further acid hydrolysis means reaction takes place with water. So 2 molecules of water are required to complete the reaction. So what happened during this reaction? So simply we can write H3O plus on the arrow is nothing but the acid hydrolysis. So what happened during the acid hydrolysis? This OH minus gets substituted at the place of 2 chlorine, and these 2 chlorines are replaced with this by combining with these 2 hydrogens. So finally here we get this H plus and OH minus. 2 OH groups are substituted at the place of 2 chlorine, and here we get the intermediate, one more unstable compound, dihydroxy compound, and this is the most unstable compound. You know about it in alcohol chapter. When any carbon attached with 2 or more than 2 OH group, then always it is unstable. So by the replacement of twice HCl, this reaction finally it gives dihydroxy unstable compound, and it is unstable. So to become stable, the remole of H2O takes place, and we get, so remole of H2O I can write here minus H2O, and finally this CHOH twice group is converted into CHO group. So this is CH as it is double bond O attached with benzene ring. So this is the side chain chlorination reaction. In side chain chlorination reaction of toluene, finally we get benzaldehyde. So preparation of benzaldehyde from toluene by side chain chlorination. So this is the most important step or mechanism of side chain chlorination. This toluene, when undergoes chlorination, reaction with chlorine takes place. In presence of H nu, it form benzyl chloride, and under 373 Kelvin it further undergo acid hydrolysis. We get unstable dihydroxy compound, and which becomes stable by remole of water molecule. So remole of water takes place, and finally we get the stable product is nothing but benzaldehyde. Next method for the preparation of benzaldehyde is by Gattermann-Koch formulation. So by Gattermann-Koch formulation of arenes, we can prepare benzaldehyde. So how the reaction takes place, let's see. When benzene is treated with benzene C6H6 hexagon ring with alternate double single bond, when this benzene is treated with carbon monoxide gas and hydrogen chloride gas under high pressure in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 as a catalyst. This reaction takes place under a high pressure. The reaction takes place or in presence of cuprous chloride. Instead of anhydrous AlCl3, cuprous chloride is used as a catalyst. So what happened? From this benzene, the hydrogen at each corner CH group is present. So any one of the position, this CO group is substituted, and we get this CH group is converted into CHO with alternate double single bond, and the name of this compound is benzaldehyde. So preparation of benzaldehyde from benzene by Gattermann-Koch formulation. This reaction is called as Gattermann-Koch formulation. When benzene undergoes reaction with, what happened? What is the Gattermann-Koch formulation reaction? When benzene is treated with carbon monoxide and hydrogen chloride gas under a high pressure in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 or cuprous chloride as a catalyst. Benzene is converted into benzaldehyde. This reaction is called Gattermann-Koch formulation. This is the name reaction, and this is the most important reaction for the production of benzaldehyde from benzene.